are getting a car wash with Mitchell. You guys doing a good job, huh? Car wash. What are we doing, Mitchell?
Whoa.
Pretty cool, huh?
I want to touch this.
What?
I want to touch the window.
No, you don't touch the window.
Let's touch this.
You touch
This.
Oh, look. Say hi. Whoa. That was fun, huh? They're washing the car. Oh.
Let's go now.
We will, but they have to tell us when to go.
That is soap.
Yeah, that's soap.
We watch this.
He just got you, didn't he?
I got you scared of water.
Am I scared of the water?
Let's go now. Let's go now.
Okay, we're gonna go soon. We're gonna go soon. See, the light's blinking. See, oh, here we go. Here we go. We're moving. We're moving. What's gonna happen, Mitchell?
I know. The soap.
What are they gonna do to the car? Oh boy, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. What's happening to Mama's car? Whoa. Whoa, Mitchell, what's happening? Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Pretty fun, huh? And now what's this? How's baby Farrah doing back there? Whoa, look at the soap coming. Wow.
Red. Pink.
Red. Yes. What's that?
Water.
Water. Whoa. Oh, wow.
Water.
Lots of water cleaning Mama's car. Yep, here comes the drying. What do you think? Pretty good, huh? High five. Good car wash. Yeah. Love you.
Let's do it again.
You want to do it again?
Down.
Well, just one time is okay. We'll do it again another day. Okay?
What? Yeah.
That's drying the car. Wow. Okay, love you, buddy.
I love you.
I love you too.